I know I just got back to Toronto, but I'm going to Milan. Thank you. The hotel's not ready for check-in yet, but anyways, Ciao Milano. I don't think I've mentioned this before, but I actually learned Italian in Milan for a month a long time ago. Well, obviously I don't remember anything. Still non parlo italiano. When I was in Milan years ago, I didn't really explore the city, which is something I regret. So this time, we're gonna do it right. Hi. It's Milan Design Week right now. This year's theme is Materia Natura, pardon my pronunciation. It basically translates to matter nature. This theme is all about promoting a conscious design culture by exploring the connection between these two words. Nature reminds us of our most urgent issues and the importance of eco-friendly solutions, while matter sparks creative dialogues and envisions possible transformations. It's a chance to dive into how nature inspires us and guides us towards a sustainable future. OOTD. I'm going to attend the Piosphere opening ceremony. I actually talked about Piosphere in one of my videos. They are a material innovation company and won the second Carrying K Generation Award. Piosphere is a circular material made from food waste and algae through advanced material engineering, an ideal alternative to leather and synthetic leather. It's available in a range of colors and patterns. It can be embroidered, woven, and sewn into end products that are biodegradable and timeless. I must admit, I have a weird obsession with materials. I'm not a material girl, but I'm a material geek. Well, Milan is known as a shopping heaven, but I am more interested in discovering local sustainable brands. Art Knit Studios is a certified B Corp focused on producing timeless knitwear in 100% natural materials, made responsibly by the best Italian manufacturers. Their motto is buy less, buy better, which is what I've been advocating too. When I shop for clothes, I prefer 100% natural materials because they're durable and can last for years. Plus, they look and feel better. Good morning. Today is an exciting day for me because I get to drive a new sustainable car. I've never driven in Europe before, so I'm also kind of nervous. Here we are. This is the all-electric Volvo EX30. It's designed to have the lowest carbon footprint of any Volvo car to date. The EX30 is awarded the title of 2024 World Urban Car. It has just been released here in Europe for less than a year, and orders are already backed up to 4 or 5 months. Well, let's try it out. Okay, you know I'm a bit of a geek when it comes to clothing materials. Well, Volvo took inspiration from the fashion world and incorporated sustainable and natural materials into the interior of this car. The seats are crafted from a premium tailored wool blend, consisting of 30% responsibly sourced wool that's RWS certified and 70% recycled polyester. It feels like a soft wool sweater hugging your body. The flax decor uses woven flax, which is a natural and renewable material from the linseed plant. It's made from the same material as the linen shirt I love wearing. So yeah, when I get into this car, I'm like, this is my kind of car. It's like my wardrobe in car form. You know what I mean? All right, let's do this. I can't believe I'm about to drive in Milan. Oh my god, that was fun. I just want to say, when I'm driving this car, I really appreciate how everything is so streamlined and compact. The interior design truly embodies the principles of minimalist design. It integrates multiple functions into each component, maximizing space without sacrificing style. It's like being in a Scandinavian home. Apart from this theme, which is the mist, there are also other interiors made with innovative, sustainable materials. For example, in the breeze theme, the seats are crafted using pixel knitting technology. They only knit what's necessary, which helps reduce waste during production. Then there's the particle decor made from recycled PVC window frames and blinds. It turns plastic that could have ended up in the ocean into a unique starry sky for each car. This is my last night in Milan. I know it's a short trip, but it is such an amazing trip. Like, how cool is it that I get to experience a sustainable car in Milan? This is beyond my wildest dreams. We all know Milan is a fashion capital. It's home to many high-end luxury brands and a city that sets trends. In a way, sustainability is becoming the new trend. Top luxury brands are rolling out their own lines of sustainable products, and companies are really stepping up with sustainable innovations. Volvo has long been dedicated to investing in sustainable solutions to minimize environmental footprint, even if it means significantly increasing costs. They do so because they believe that sustainability is true luxury.